Wi-Fi QR. Dot. Dot. eSIM. Dot. iPhone. Good connection, easy installation. I saw many reviews praising the chip and decided to trust it. I bought the digital chip while still in Brazil, and as soon as I arrived at Incheon Airport, I already had internet working. I spent 20 days in Korea, traveled the country from end to end, and never once lost signal. The internet is fast, and the cost-benefit ratio is excellent, as it and number 39 is much cheaper than waiting to buy the chip at Incheon Airport. $302. Wi-Fi eSIM 13. QR. QR. eSIM 12G 350 kbps. Wi-Fi 7 1500. Three 11G. One. Easy activation and stable connection in Seoul and Jeju. Worth the money. Ku tilde achu choayo. Three eSIM. 2.